Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. In this verse of Athavakra Gita, Athavakra tells Raja Janaka, the change and destruction are inevitable in this universe and its existence. Anyone who knows about this and understands this well becomes indifferent to pain and pleasure and becomes dispassionate and detached towards the universe. Thus, he or she finds bliss, happiness, and self contentment. Change and destruction are inevitable. It has been mentioned in Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna. Change is the principle of life in this material world. Nothing remains permanent. Everything changes and then ultimately dissolves into the self. It vanishes into eternity, and all the elements of a body or anything in the universe dissolves into the five elements basis. Like ether goes back to ether, air goes back to air, fire to fire, water to water, and earth to earth. What is today in your name was in another person's name yesterday and will be in another person's name tomorrow. Whatever you got and you gave from this place and you got from this place. This place means this universe. You came alone, penniless. You go back penniless. Change. An infant is born. It is tiny and totally innocent. A few years later, it turns into a baby. After baby, it becomes a child. From childhood, it goes to adolescence. From adolescence to teenage. From teenage to adulthood. From adulthood to middle age. From middle age, it goes to old age. From old age, it goes to ripe old age. And then it falls sick and dies. This has been happening life after life, birth after birth, death after death, to every soul in this universe which has become a living entity. Every living entity should know this and should correct its mistake that it is indispensable. As they say, the world is full of indispensable men. The life goes on. What happened tomorrow will happen today again, and it will happen tomorrow again, only the players will change. The four ashramas of Brahmacharyam, that is celibate, Grahastham, that is family life, Vanaprastham, that is renunciation, and Sannyasam means going towards God by becoming spiritual. These are four stages that show that the change in every living entity's life is inevitable. He or she has to go through all the four stages, especially the male. If you don't understand this, you will be fooled because the pain and pleasure of change will certainly bother you and drag you down from where you are. To understand this and to avoid this, one has to abide in self and become self contented. He or she should understand his or her true identity as Brahman and avoid any sort of disappointment or discouragement because of change. Anyone who reaches maturity must realize that yesterday was childhood and tomorrow will be old age, disease, and death. Every living entity should prepare himself or herself for this and act accordingly. There should not be any surprise when the end comes. One must be prepared for this. Desire to live is there in almost average all entities. Yet, if one understands that this sort of change is inevitable and that he or she will have to go leave this world alone, will be far happier than the one for whom death and destruction comes as a shock. Anything can happen to anyone in this world. What goes round comes round. A person who was in the bottom will be in the middle tomorrow and go to the top tomorrow, day after. From there, again it will be a circle towards another middle, then bottom, then middle, then top, etc. This vicious circle goes on. Nobody can say that he or she will be at the top always, or middle always, or bottom always. Whether you love it or not, you will have to face life like this, the material life like this, and the universe like this. Unless and until you are totally detached, you will not be able to comprehend what is going on in this universe. Change is inevitable and we must be prepared for it to be blissful, eternal, happy, and we should abide in the self. Please let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep informing you of my past and future videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.